In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove the date and time from a Microsoft PowerPoint slide. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your slides clean and free from dates that might update automatically when you present. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to edit. You can do this with an existing file or a brand new deck. It works the same either way. Once your presentation is open, look to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. In the text group, select Header and Footer. That opens a dialog box where you manage the small bits of information that can appear on your slides. Make sure you're on the Slide tab in that window. Here you'll see options for date and time, slide number, and footer. To remove the date and time from appearing on your slides, simply uncheck the option labeled Date and Time. When that box is unchecked, PowerPoint won't place a date on your slides anymore. Now decide where you want this change to apply. If you want every slide in the presentation to follow this setting, click Apply to All. This ensures the date and time are removed across your entire deck. If you only want to affect the slide you're currently on, click Apply instead. That's helpful if you want one slide to stay clean while others still show a date. If you've unchecked date and time but still see a date on your slides, it's likely coming from the Slide Master. Some templates place a date placeholder directly on the master or on a layout. To fix that, go to the View tab and choose Slide Master. You'll see a list of master slides and layouts on the left. Browse to the master or the specific layout your slides are using. Locate the date placeholder, usually found near the bottom of the slide, select it, and press Delete on your keyboard. When you're done, close the Slide Master view to return to your presentation. Removing the placeholder at the master level ensures it won't reappear when new slides are added. And that's it. You've successfully removed the time and date from your PowerPoint slides. Whether you apply it to a single slide or your whole presentation, this small tweak keeps your design tidy and avoids any accidental date updates during your talk. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.